under construction. Hi everybody, hope everybody is doing well on this Friday morning.
I miss this thing so much.
What a beautiful day, guys, in Durban. Hey bro, yo, it's AK, what's up bro? Can we drop some questions? Yeah, y'all can really quick. Y'all can drop some questions. Hope everybody's doing great. It's Friday, guys, be happy. I had a good trading week, brilliant trading week. Good trades taken, no losses guys, no losses. My future mentor, Musa Reeds, thank you brother. Huh? I don't know, what you think? What you think? Sorry guys. Hope everybody's doing well. What a day to be alive, guys. What a day, what a good day to be alive. What a good day. We should be blessed, guys. We should be blessed. Such a day. It's amazing Friday. How's everybody doing? You can drop some questions, guys. I'll answer a few really quick. Durban. Everybody calls Durban. Certain people do. Anybody want to drop questions? You can, guys. What a lovely day. Best way to get seed money. What do you mean by that, bro? Seed money?
Like investment?
I'm not sure. The ocean is really lovely.
I want to go swim.
A beast of its own. A beast of its own. I asked a question. Bro, can you repeat it? Why don't you use a currency strength meter? It's manipulated by brokers, bro. Don't use that shit. Yes, water is lovely. What time is our food ready, Dada? Huh? Should be ready now.
Probably.
Which brokers are you using? I'm using quite a few. Initial deposit money. Start a hustle, bro. Wash cars. Sell fruit. Do something. Do something. Everybody has a skill that isn't Forex that you can make money from. Everybody has a skill. Everybody can make money somehow, some way or another. Everybody can make money. And that's a key. That's a key, guys. Everybody can. Everybody can. What time frames do you use? One-on-one lessons. Hit me up. Drop a DM and admin will get to you guys for one-on-one mentorship and signals. Guys, well, I've put aside all of the one-on-ones, physical mentorship. The reason being is the COVID is hectic now, guys. So I'm trying to stay away from people, and obviously social distancing is key to that. So we're only doing online mentorship. What time frames? I use the 4 hour, I use the 1 hour, I use the 15 minutes. Let's go. Guys, I'm gonna end now. Everybody have a blessed Friday. Have a blessed weekend. Stay safe, guys. Remember social distancing, guys. Remember. Take it easy, guys. Stay blessed. I'm out. J Money.